guys, and for tonight, our dinner will be shawarma a la Turks a la Kabataan. Of course, I have 6 wraps here, and I have cucumber and the tirimi tomatoes, and I will just use to cook our beef. This is 800 grams of beef and tons of garlic. And of course, I will need brown sugar, olive oil, and hindi mawawala sa aking pagluluto ang oyster sauce, soy sauce, and I still need oil, the regular oil. And of course, my favorite pepe nero, machinado or ground pepper. Right, at hindi mawawala ang ating sandok! Nasaan ka? Ba't aking kawan? At sila ang savior ng aking buhay. Okay mga kabataan, sisimulan na ng inyong chef. Cooking time! Alright! So I will put my olive oil, tons of olive oil, and the regular oil. I always mix it. Next, ang ating garlic! Alright! And our 800 grams of ground beef. Here we go! Boom! Panon! Okay. So, you have to cook this like, ganyan na yung kulay niya, and then you can put all the seasoning. Like I have a likamki here. I need to put 2 spoons, pero hindi ko gagawin because this is a strong sauce. Unlike the mamasitas. Pwede ko i-open this one. And then, haluin mo lang. Halo-halo. Ganyan. Yes, please. And then, daddy. Oops, this is, then, isa lang yan, suppose. And that's it. Tama mo yun. Until na mag-caramelize siya. Then, yung pagbulang yan. At isasama ko na yung sugar. Where's the sugar? This is the sugar. 1/4 cup ng sugar and a little bit more kasi 800 grams na siya. Ayan yan. Paghahaluin mo lang siya, ganyan, hanggang sa mag-caramelize yung kanya sugar. And it's going to be a good one, I promise. I almost forgot about this. The pepinero o the ground
Pepper.
Ayan. Golden na siya. Look, come on. Diba? Brownish. Nagka-caramelize na siya. So it means, malapit na siyang maluto. Hurrah! Okay. And for our sauce, I will make our own homemade ranch sauce. I only need like 200 ml of mayo. But I've got here like 382 grams or 300 ml. So, tansyahin na lang natin, okay? You can calculate to that. So, okay, I will use Calbee first. This is like 150 ml already. And another one is another 150. Well, I can actually use them all. Of course, our crushed garlic, like 4 pieces. I'll put it in. Whoops, that's it. Next is 1 tablespoon of sugar and a little bit. That's it. Whoop. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And a little bit more. Okay, that's it. Alright guys, so you have to mix it all together. Make sure na talagang super mix siya. And then, you need a strainer. Kasi kailangan mong alisin yung kanyang bawang na nilagay mo. Okay. Daddy, I need your help. Please. Takanan mo lang ang plato, please. Ito. Yes. Alin yung isa, strainer na lang. Thank you. Para masahid ko siya. Diba? Yung may super assistant ko. Ayan. So, hindi kami gumamit ngayon ng dalawang kalde, kundi yung isa ay regular lang. Ayan. Side natin kasi talaga mapanghinaya akong tao. Gusto ko lahat ng binabayaran ko ay sulit. Gusto mo dito. Pero may ano to. Sige. Ikaw. So, ayan. Kailangan mo talagang pisain siya para yung lasa ng bawang ay sumahon sa done. Of course, that is my ranch sauce. How is it, mga kabadang? I wanna try that. I wanna try. Let me try. And bonissimo. Here we go. Painitin lang natin siya. Few seconds. Ayan. I'm excited talaga ako. Okay, so I will put a bit of tomatoes. And yes, I will use my fingers na. There. And sobrang kapal nun. And I need to put again. Too much already. Okay, and sauce. This is my ranch sauce actually. And so I have to fold it like that. And I have to tell it to my daughter to take care of it. Otherwise, this will be our dinner. What do you say?
Thank you.
And say your grace. The second serving for Sophia. Say your
Thank you,
grace.
Mom.
Okay. Your chef is done. And my children are now ready having their yummy dinner. My husband is having a salad and cordon bleu. And the rest, shawarma it is. Is it yummy, guys?
Yes.
Buonissimo! Ciao a tutti!